Monster. Hi, I'm a storyteller. I love stories and monsters. Did you know monsters have stories too? Yes, they do, especially mine. When I wake up, I can't wait to share a new story. Today's story is called Cutie Pie Monster. My friend Annika has a monster that is really, really small. Her monster is a baby monster. Her skin is baby blue too. Annika's monster likes to wear pretty dresses that have lots of pink hearts on them. She only has 2 arms, but no legs. Annika likes to play outside with her monster. They like to play hide and seek. When she's happy, Annika's monster turns pink. And when she's afraid, she turns purple. If she's scared, Annika will keep her safe, making her happy again. She likes to eat fruit for lunch. Lots and lots of fruit. One fruit that she doesn't like is cherries. Annika loves playing with her monster. Her name is Cutie Pie. What a great story!